Using the wrong units in Solidworks can be a major source of frustration. So just how do you change units in Solidworks? Let's find out in this video. So when users ask about how to change units in Solidworks, they can mean one or two things. The first is what I will call an actual conversion of units. I have here a 1-inch cube. After creating the cube in inches, if I need to work in millimeters instead, I will go to the unit system options at the bottom right hand corner and change the units like so. You can see that the dimensions have been mathematically converted to millimeters. So take note that this does not involve physical scaling of the model. For the moment, let's change our units back to inches. So the second problem is what I will call a non-numerical conversion of units. The intention here will be to convert 1 inch to 1 millimeter. As you would expect, this is going to involve physical scaling of the model. This problem can happen when, for example, you intended to model a part based on millimeters, but fail to realize that your system units are in inches. So one way to resolve this is actually to use the scale feature, but this is not ideal as it is not really a parametric step. The scale exists as an independent feature and does nothing to the dimensions in your sketches or your features. So after trawling through the Solidworks forum, I came across a macro created by a Solidworks user called Leonard Kickstra. I have provided a link in the description below. Go to his site and download a macro that he has created called the Model Rescaler. So once downloaded, go to the command search bar and type in macro. Select Run Macro. Click on the downloaded macro and run it. You will be prompted to select to scale down or up and also the scale factor. In this case, since we are going to convert from inch to millimeter, we are scaling down. So click Apply. So you can see that the model has been physically scaled down. The way this macro works is that you will go through every single dimension in all the sketches and features and apply a factor. At this point, I would urge all users to be extra cautious and check through every single sketch and feature after using the macro. Alright, before the end of the video, I would like to throw in a bonus tip. Now for the bonus tip, if you ever need to work between different units frequently, you would appreciate this. We have this 1-inch cube from before. The system units are in inches. Now suppose that we would like to create a circular recess on one of the faces, but we want to define it in terms of millimeters. Now there's no need to change the system units. Let's pick on a face and draw a circle. If we want the diameter of the circle to be 5 mm, we simply type in 5 mm, with no spacing in between. Solidworks automatically does the conversion for you. So this works the same way in the extruder cut feature. Just type in 5 mm. Now let's suppose that I need to increase the diameter by 5 mm. Let's edit the sketch. Double click on the dimension. At the end of the original dimension, type in 5 mm with no spacing in between. and click OK. Solidworks not only converts the units, and also does the addition. This works for parameters in the features as well. Remember that all this time, the system units are in inches. Alright, hope that you have found this video useful. I will see you in the next one.